I'm very excited that we have this special watch to unbox today, the limited edition black prints from exclusive Swiss brand Czapek Quai de Bergues collection. Now, did you know that the brand's founder Francois was a contemporary of Anthony Patek, and they co-founded Patek Czapek & C in the early days of Swiss watchmaking? After a 6-year partnership together, building watches for royalty, they parted ways to establish their own ventures, Patek Philippe and Czapek & C respectively. Now, back to the watch. This superb piece is actually limited to only 15 pieces, making it a very special must-have for any serious collector. The watch boasts a 42.5mm titanium case with a black DLC diamond-like carbon coating, a Guilloché black dial, an off-center small seconds and weekday power reserve indicator, and an open sapphire caseback fitted nicely on the wrist with an alligator leather strap. The manually wound SX-H1 caliber offers a substantial power reserve of 168 hours. It also comes complete with a Czapek passport, detailing the watch's authenticity, exclusive details and rich history. Now, we have this exclusive piece at Timepiece 360, so if you're interested in finding out more about it, come down to our showroom in the Golden Diamond Park, or you can check it out on our website at timepiece360.com.